The error you can see on the screen when I inserted my USB into my laptop. So it is showing unknown USB device, and it is showing up the error device descriptor request failed. If you are getting the same issue, this video is for you. I will show step by step how to troubleshoot the issue. So first of all guys, you need to unplug your USB and try to insert into a different port. So I have just unplug it, and let me replug it back in the different port I have plugged in. Okay, let's see if the error comes or not. So this is a step number 1. Okay, you need to try it to different port, but you can see this time the error is different. USB mass storage device. So you need to right click it and update it. Look for this option, then this one, and simply reinstall the driver. So once you have reinstalled it, check if that fixed the issue or not. In my case it doesn't fix the issue guys, so let me disable it once and let me re-enable it once. By disabling and re-enabling will refresh the setting, as you can see here. So let me show if the error is fixed or not. Okay, still it is not visible in here. It is showing up as a plugged in. Let me open the device manager, computer management. In here guys, also it is not showing. Yeah, it is showing. No, it is not showing up as well here. So let me replug it. Just try to update all the drivers here. I have plugged in into 2.0 port guys. Again, fixing this issue is sometimes very critical. Let me reopen the device manager once again. Universal serial bus. So try to uninstall the drivers one by one here. Let me uninstall them. So once you restarted your system, it will be automatically detected the driver, so no issue with that. Just uninstall them. Let me uninstall it this also. So guys, once you have uninstalled all the drivers from here, guys, just restart your system. So let me restart my system. So let me logged in, guys, and let me show if the error is fixed or not. Okay, still the device is not showing up here. Let me right click over there and let me go into the device manager, guys, and let me show all the drivers are back. You can see here, but the issue is still there. It is not detecting as well. Let me try into the another port, guys, and so you can see, guys, it is showing up now, and when I right click over there, it is showing up once I have uninstalled all the drivers. So I have reinserted it, guys, and my issue has been fixed now. So I hope, guys, your issue is also fixed. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. If your issue is still not fixed, guys, you have to reset the PC or reinstall the fresh window.